Yes. Be ready for the dictation. Start. The order passed by the High Court is presently under appeal. Stop. We heard Mr. Siddharth Dave, learned advocate for the appellants, Mr. Milind Kumar, learned advocate for the state, and Mr. M.C. Dhingra, learned advocate for the complainant. Stop. It was submitted by Mr. Dave, learned advocate, that the report filed under section 173 of the code on 5/7/2018 having been returned by the magistrate for due compliance of the High Court order dated 3/7/2018, as on the expiry of 90 days there was no charge sheet for the consideration of the court. Stop. He further submitted that the code does not contemplate any extension of period within which the investigation could be completed, and as such the High Court order dated 3/7/2018 can never be construed to have extended the period of investigation. Stanza. In his submission, the appellants, having shown their willingness to be admitted to the benefit of bail and preferred appropriate application in view of the law laid down by this court, they were entitled to be released on bail. Stop. The learned advocates for the state and the complainant, on the other hand, submitted that the investigation was completed and appropriate charge sheet was filed on 5/7/2018, and the return of the papers in compliance of the order dated 3/7/2018 ought to be construed as a step towards further investigation in the matter. Stop. On the expiry of the said period of 90 days or 60 days, as the case may be, an indefeasible right accrues in favor of the accused for being released on bail on account of default by the investigating agency in the completion of the investigation within the period prescribed, and the accused is entitled to be released on bail if he is prepared to and furnishes the bail as directed by the magistrate. Stanza. When an application for bail is filed by an accused for enforcement of his indefeasible right alleged to have been accrued in his favor on account of default on the part of the investigating agency in completion of the investigation within the specified period, the magistrate/court must dispose of it forthwith on being satisfied that in fact the accused has been in custody for the period of 90 days or 60 days as specified, and no charge sheet has been filed by the investigating agency. Stop. Such prompt action on the part of the magistrate/court will not enable the prosecution to frustrate the object of the act and the legislative mandate of an accused being released on bail on account of the default on the part of the investigating agency in completing the investigation within the period stipulated. Stanza. The principles laid down in Uday Mohan Lal Acharya Supra have been consistently followed by this court, namely in State of West Bengal versus Dinesh Dalmia, Sanjay Kumar Kedia versus Intelligence Officer, Narcotics Control Bureau, and another, Union of India versus Nirala Yadav, and in Ranbir Shokeen versus State NCT of Delhi. Stop. It must therefore be taken to be well settled that in terms of third conclusion as recorded in Uday Mohan Lal Acharya Supra, on the expiry of the period stipulated, an indefeasible right accrues in favor of the accused for being released on bail on account of default by the investigating agency in the completion of the investigation within the period stipulated, and the accused is entitled to be released on bail if he is prepared to and furnishes the bail as directed by the magistrate. Full stop. Over.